It's now time for section 1. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier we had the toss and Bamboo Primary won and decided to go first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, and with that time on the clock, we begin with Bamboo Primary Bible knowledge. Penina was one of the wives of which man in the Bible?
Elkanah. Elkanah.
Correct. Mineral Heights Bible knowledge. Apart from Penina, who was the other wife of Elkanah mentioned in the Bible?
Rachel.
Incorrect. Hannah. Bamboo. International affairs. A visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Kamala Harris.
US Vice President. That's correct. Mineral Heights International affairs. A visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Sandra Mason.
President of Barbados. That's correct. Science. Bamboo. What is the full name of the waterborne disease known as gastro?
Gastroenteritis.
Correct. Mineral Heights Science. What is the full name of the disease known as polio?
Polioritis.
Incorrect. Poliomyelitis. Television. A visual question. Bamboo. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Ian Boyne.
Incorrect. Dennis Rushton, judge on TVJ's Altogether Sing. Mineral Heights. Television. A visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Dennis Rushton.
Incorrect. Michael Holgate, judge also on TVJ's Altogether Sing. Bamboo. English language. Spell paralysis.
Paralysis.
Correct. Mineral Heights English language. Spell skeptical.
Start spelling. Skeptical.
Incorrect. Skeptical. Bamboo. Sports. A visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Virat Kohli.
Indian cricket star. That's correct. Mineral Heights. Sports. A visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
David Beckham.
Incorrect. Pat Cummins, Australian cricket star. General knowledge. Bamboo. What has replaced the iconic bird logo of the social media company Twitter?
X.
Correct. General knowledge. Mineral Heights. In which country is Narendra Modi the Prime Minister?
India.
Correct. Bamboo. Social studies. Under which branch of the Jamaican government does Parliament fall?
Executive.
Incorrect. Legislative. Mineral Heights. Social studies. Under which branch of the Jamaican government does the cabinet fall?
Local.
Incorrect. Executive. Bamboo. Music. What is the stage name for the Jamaican-born Sheldon Lawrence? Jamaican artiste, that is.
Stitchy.
Incorrect. Idonia. Mineral Heights. Music. What is the stage name for the Jamaican-born artiste Erlen Bartley?
Gotti.
Incorrect. Alkaline. Bamboo. Mathematics. If twice a number is 34, what is 3 times that same number?
51.
Correct. Mineral Heights Mathematics. If a number when increased by 27 becomes 64, what is the number?
37.
Correct. Bamboo. Sports. What is the nationality of the former football superstar Zico?
Brazilian.
Correct. Mineral Heights. Sports. What is the nationality of the former football superstar Franz Beckenbauer?
English.
Incorrect. German. And we don't have time for any more questions. That's the end of section 1. The scores are Bamboo Primary on 8 and Mineral Heights Primary on 3. Now, before we head to the break, here's our friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Set a regular alarm each day that signals the start of homework and study time. A friendly tip there from Guardian Achiever. Please stay with us. Season 20 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns after this break.